Hey y'all, today I'll be installing this 4x4 water wave closure wig from LANQI hair, an Amazon hair company. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be installing this 4x4 Brazilian water wave closure wig from LANQI hair on Amazon. If you haven't already seen the unboxing video that I did for this wig, there's a card and a link for it in the description box below if you're interested. Now I've already bleached the knots off camera. I did not do any plucking. I added some foundation to the lace, and then after I put the foundation on the lace, I used my pressing comb to press the hair away from the hairline. Now I grabbed my Got To Be Free spray and sprayed it on top of the lace and then pressed it into the hairline. And then I blow dried it a little bit to make it tacky and added my elastic headband and then continued blow drying until the lace was completely dry. Now this wig came with the middle part, but I decided that I wanted a side part instead. As you can see, I left the lace in the middle so that the hair would stay even, and I just parted on the side, added some Murray's black beeswax and combed it down, and then used my pressing comb to make it flat. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off using a zigzag motion. And this time I decided to challenge myself and do an install with some very, very, very minimal baby hairs. Hair information and all the products that I'm using are listed in the description box below if you're interested. I decided that I wanted to get the wet look, so I'm adding some water and some mousse to the hair. I'm really loving this wave pattern, and I'm not even getting that much shedding from this hair, so this is definitely baddie on a budget. Y'all need to go check out that unboxing video. And I forgot to cut the lace in the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off as well. And to define the part, I got some concealer, and I'm also gonna use it to make that edge of the lace a little bit more invisible. And now that the install is complete, it's time for the second part of the video. And I'm not adding too much makeup. I'm going for a very, very minimal, no makeup look. So I'm not gonna do any more talking until the very end. Enjoy. And this is the finished look. I'm really loving this wig. I really like the texture, and I'm really loving the fact that it took me less than 45 minutes to install. This wig is definitely beginner friendly. Big shout out to LANQI here for sending me this wig, and big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.
Me I beg you, woman, me guide them father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me jet over. Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me 'cause me heart too clean. Can't kill me 'cause me heart too clean. Because me heart too clean.